Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever you are watching me from. I humbly welcome you to my YouTube channel. During my introduction video, I made it clear that I'm here to serve you with most informative educational content on this platform. And today be my first ever educational video, and I am here to serve you with the topic market structure. Market structure has been categorized into three phases that we have: the bullish market structure, we also have the bearish market structure, and the final or the last one is when the market is consolidating. And today we are only focusing much on bullish and bearish market structure, which I believe when you understand the concept of market structure, you stand a chance of becoming successful trader. Why am I saying that? Because when the market is in uptrend, you only look for what? Buy opportunity. And when the market is also in downtrend, you only look for sell opportunity as a trader. Because when the market pulls to create a new high, you have to be patiently waiting for the market to pull back to a certain decision point, either demand zone or support zone. Then you use your confluence to pick your entry. When the market is also in a downtrend, you wait for the market to pull deep, and when the market is pulling back to a certain point, either supply or resistance zone, then you add your confluence to pick your entry. So I'm here with this topic that I believe when you watch till the end, it is going to skyrocket in your first journey. So without wasting my time, we are heading straight to the chart and do justice to the topic. And as I said, I only trade good. If you have any pair that you want me to break down, you can leave at the comment section and I will make videos on any pair that you want me to break down. So if you don't know who I am, I'm just Lord, the son of Africa. So without wasting my time, let's jump straight to the chart and let's see what we can do for the day. So thank you. Welcome back again. These are the three phases that I said: the bullish, we have the bearish market structure, and the third one is the consolidation, or when the market is ranging. At this point, you have to stay away. So today we are not focusing on this consolidation or market ranging. So we are only paying much attention to bullish market structure and bearish market structure. So this is how it looks like. When the market starts to print the first high, we call it high, and when the market pull back to a certain point before it will take or before it will break above the previous high. So when the market creates something like this, when it breaks above, when the market prints something like high, low, and it breaks above this high, then this time around, this one has become higher high, and it will pull back to a certain demand zone. That is why I said when the market is in a push phase like this, you don't have to look for buy opportunity, because you don't know when the market is reversing. The only thing that you have to do is to wait for the market to pull back to a certain decision point. Sometimes you can find institutional order block over here, or I actually use Fibonacci 61.8 when I use the fifth from the swing low to the swing high. When the market pulls back into 61.8, when I find my decision point or when I get any institutional order block, then I will capitalize on that and pick my buy opportunity, because the market is now in uptrend. The market is now in uptrend. So I'll pick my buy order from here and put my stop loss below and also target this higher high. So we have high, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. This time around, it signifies that the market is a bullish market structure, which means the buyers are in control of the market. And as I said, the consolidation also prints equal highs and equal low. You don't know the direction of the market until the market breaks above or break below, same as the bearish market structure. When the market first of all prints low and prints high, it will come back and print lower low, because the reason why we call this one lower low is that this one was low, but this one has become lower than this one. So that is why we said this one is lower low, and it will go back and print lower high. You see, so at this point, the only thing that you need to do is to wait and see if there's any decisional point over here, and you use that one to pick your entry for a sell, because the market is what? The market is in downtrend. The only thing you have to do as a trader is to wait and sell from this angle. So when you get an entry like this, you put your stop loss just above and you go for the previous lower low to be your exit point. Then it continues the cycle. It will print another lower low, come back and print lower high, print lower low, and print lower high. This is what we call market structure, and it is called the trend is your friend, because the market is in a downtrend. So let's look at the final one. This time around, when the market is changing direction, let's assume that, or let's use this diagram to explain what I'm trying to say. Now the market is in a bullish, so you only look for buy opportunity. So how can you get a sell opportunity? Until this previous lower high has been broken, it is still in uptrend. So the moment you see that the market has been broken this previous lower high, then you wait for a pullback. You wait for a pullback like this, and this one will break below this low. It will form lower low and pull back into a decision point, so on and so forth, to print the downtrend. So when at the moment you see that there's a change of character or break of structure, then you have to shift your focus from buying position to selling up position. So this is the diagram explaining the change of character or break of structure, meaning the bias has shifted, or the trend has shifted from buying to selling pressure. So let's go to the chart and see if we can get live example. Yeah, so this is what we have on the screen, where the market printed high, it came back to print low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this time around, the market is what? In a downtrend, which means the sellers are in power. The only thing that you need to do as a trader is to wait and see at which point the market will pull back. We all don't know. That is why I said we have some confluence that every trader has to enter or to exit from the market. So this time around, when you see the market is printing something like this, the only thing that you do, you can add your trend line. So the only thing that you can do to take advantage, because we don't know where the market is pulling back to, the only thing you can do as a trader, you have to get your trend line, which you connect 1, 2, then you extend to the future. When the market is coming back for the third time to print the lower high, the moment the market touches the trend line, if there's any institutional candlestick around that zone, you can highlight institutional candlestick as we have over here. We have this very huge candlestick, which signifies that the sellers did something over here, introduce huge sums of money. Then definitely they will come back into the zone. Then you pick your sell order from here and look for your exit point. As well as the same thing over here, we also have another decision point when the market, that was where the market came back and tapped into the zone. And the other aspect too was also here. There was another decisional point which comes in line with this trend line. Then from there the market collapses. So this is what we call the market is in a downtrend. When the market is printing low, high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this time around, your duty as a trader is to wait patiently and see what is going to happen. Which point is the market reacting? So you see, anytime the market will push very strongly, it will push back at least 50% or 61.8, which I basically use to pick my entry. So let's use the Fibonacci for example over here. When I will take my swing high to the swing low, so you can see the 61.8 is in line perfectly with my entry point, and it is also in line with a decision or institutional candlestick. That is another confluence that I personally use to pick my order from. Yeah, so until the market breaks above this zone, we are still in bearish market trend. You don't have to change that since the market it has been selling for a long time, so I have to look for buy opportunity. No, if you do that, you are getting it wrong. Until that you see, so let's use this one for example. Let's see what will happen if the market will continue printing lower lows and lower highs. So you see, this was the previous lower high that was created. Now you can check from this previous one. None of this lower high was able to break above this previous high. So this is the final one, or the last point where the selling pressure has changed or turned. So this is a point where you see there was a break of structure. So now you can indicate here break of structure, because this was the previous low high the market printed or the market created, and now the buying pressure has been broken above, because none of them that you can see that the market was above this lower high. So this time around, it will tell you that the trend has changed. So this time around, you only look for buy opportunity. So in the next example, I'm going to show you the bullish lower low. So you can see each of the highs, it was above each other. So this time around, let's assume that you are trying to sell from here. The moment the market gets to a certain decision point, then the market reverses against you, and you'll be seeing there are a lot of manipulations because you are trading against the trend. The only thing you have to do as a trader is to wait. When you see that the market has this high has been broken, created a new high, then you wait for the market to pull back into a decision point, or when you use your Fibonacci, whether you use 50% or 61.8% to use as your confluence, that one depends on you. Maybe in our subsequent videos, I will make a video on Fibonacci, how to use the Fibonacci. So when the market pushes back into a decision point like this, which signifies that the market is in what, a buy trend, or the market is in bullish trend, you only look for buy opportunity, because as I said, the trend is your friend. Don't trade against the trend. It goes on and go on and on. So until there is a break of structure to the downside, you cannot just tell me, say, now we are still looking for sell opportunity. No, you only have to look for buy opportunity, because the market continues to print high, low, and so on and so forth. So this is what I was trying to tell you about market structure. You have to follow the trend of the market. When the market is printing higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, your main duty as a first trader is to look for a pullback into a decision point, and you look for buy opportunity. Please don't sell against the trend. If you have any other ways of selling against the trend, that one depends on you. But I said the trend is your friend. Just as simple as that. So this is what I was trying to bring it up today about market structure. Maybe in our subsequent video, we are going to talk about support and resistance. We talk about how to draw the trend lines and other stuff. So today, this is what we have: basic market structure. Don't sell against the trend. Don't buy against the trend. Follow the trend. The trend is your friend. So if you find any value in this video, and if you want me to continue giving out more videos on forex market, please go to the comment section and leave your comment below. Share with your other friends. And if you want me to break down any pairs of your choice, please leave at the comment section. I only trade gold. I don't trade any other things. So gold is my friend, and I only trade gold. You can follow me on Instagram at TheSlordFS, and on YouTube, TheSlordFS, the Son of Africa. Until then, I say peace out.